Have you ever woken up in the morning and felt like your legs weren't fully ready to carry you? Or maybe you notice that standing up from a chair takes just a little more effort than it used to. Many seniors shrug and say, "Well, that's just aging." But what if I told you that every single night, as you sleep, your muscles could be silently wasting away? This isn't just about feeling weaker. It's a dangerous process called sarcopenia, and it's the hidden reason why so many adults over 60 lose strength, balance, and independence. The shocking part is, scientists have discovered that what you eat right before bed can decide whether your muscles rebuild or keep disappearing. So today, right here on Senior Wisdom, we'll reveal 7 powerful bedtime foods backed by science that can stop muscle loss, repair strength, and even help seniors regain muscle well into their 70s, 80s, and beyond. And make sure you stay with us until the very end, because the number 1 food on this list has been clinically shown to reverse sarcopenia itself. But before we dive in, tell us in the comments, where are you watching from? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more life-changing senior health insights. Let's get started. Here are the 7 bedtime foods that can protect and rebuild your muscles while you sleep. Number 7. Walnuts. Often overlooked, walnuts are a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids and plant-based protein. For seniors, these healthy fats are critical because they help reduce inflammation in the muscles and joints, allowing your body to repair itself more efficiently at night. One study from the Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who regularly consumed walnuts had significantly higher muscle strength scores compared to those who didn't. To use walnuts as a bedtime ritual, try a small handful, about 1 ounce, 30 minutes before sleep. They digest slowly, giving your body a steady release of nutrients throughout the night. Number 6. Almond butter. Smooth, delicious, and incredibly nutrient-dense, almond butter provides a blend of healthier fats, magnesium, and protein. Magnesium especially helps muscles relax, reducing nighttime cramps that many seniors struggle with. Spread 1 tablespoon on whole grain toast, or stir it into warm oatmeal for a satisfying bedtime snack. Studies show seniors who included nut-based snacks had up to 15% more lean muscle mass retention over time. Number 5. Tart cherry juice. Not just a trendy drink, tart cherry juice is rich in anthocyanins, antioxidants that reduce inflammation and muscle soreness. More importantly, it naturally increases melatonin, helping you fall into deep, restorative sleep, the very stage when muscle repair happens. In a study from the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports, seniors drinking tart cherry juice twice a day reduced muscle soreness by 34% and improved recovery strength. Drink 1 small glass, about 8 ounces, 30 minutes before bed. Number 4. Pumpkin seeds. Tiny but mighty, pumpkin seeds deliver magnesium, zinc, and plant protein, all essential for muscle health. They also contain tryptophan, which your body converts into serotonin and melatonin, promoting deeper sleep. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons before bed can fuel your muscles and calm your nervous system. Eat them raw, roasted, or sprinkle on yogurt. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is loaded with 20 grams of protein per cup, including both whey, which is fast digesting, and casein, which is slow digesting. This combination gives your muscles an immediate boost of amino acids, and then keeps repairing them all night long. Add chia seeds or berries to make it even more powerful. Research shows seniors eating Greek yogurt before bed increased overnight muscle building by 26% compared to those who didn't. Number 2. Cottage cheese. Soft, easy to digest, and packed with casein protein, cottage cheese is one of the most effective pre-bed snacks for seniors. It also contains leucine, the amino acid that directly triggers muscle building. A 12-week study published in the British Journal of Nutrition showed seniors eating cottage cheese before bed increased strength by 27% and lean muscle mass by 20%. Mix half a cup with berries or chia seeds for a light but powerful bedtime meal. And finally, number 1, the ultimate bedtime muscle-saving formula. Whey protein plus collagen plus leucine. Whey protein is a fast and powerful amino acid source. Collagen peptides support tendons, ligaments, and joints. And extra leucine doubles the muscle-building signal. One study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found seniors who drank 40 grams of whey before bed increased muscle building by 32%. And adding leucine nearly doubled that effect. Blend 1 scoop whey protein, 1 scoop collagen and 3 grams leucine with water or almond milk. Drink it 45 minutes before sleep, and you're literally programming your body to rebuild muscle overnight. So there you have it, the 7 best bedtime foods for seniors. Walnuts, almond butter, tart cherry juice, pumpkin seeds, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and the ultimate whey, collagen, and leucine shake. Even after 60, 70, or 80, your muscles are not gone forever. Science proves you can rebuild strength, restore energy, and live independently for years to come, if you fuel your body with the right nutrients at the right time. Now tell us in the comments, which of these foods are you already eating before bed? And which one are you excited to try tonight? We'd love to hear your story. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who might need this advice, and don't forget to subscribe to Senior Wisdom for more powerful health insights. Remember this teaching: the body and the mind are like gardens. If you neglect them, weeds will grow. But if you nurture them daily, even with small, consistent steps, strength and vitality will return. Your muscles don't have to disappear with age. With the right bedtime fuel, you can stay strong, vital, and full of life, no matter your years.